mean, we have such an exciting group of teachers coming in. I think part of the selection process for me wasn't just looking at who's well known or who seems to be famous. It's also knowing the people that play different ways. For example, I met Josephine Marsh. She's an accordion player from Ireland. 25 years ago in Australia, she was one of my first teachers. And she has such an incredible, beautiful way of transmitting her knowledge. You know, she shares with you and such a deep connection to music that she's grown up with. And it's just comes across in her teaching style. It's just amazing.
Pues me está contando que no es solo no solo se buscó a la gente internacional así más famosa, sino que la gente que es apropiada para este estilo de enseñanza. Está hablando de Josephine Marsh, la profesora de acordeón que viene desde Irlanda, que fue una de las primeras profesoras que tuvo ella, el impacto que tuvo en su enseñanza. Bueno, tenemos aquí, por ejemplo, en la parte de acordeón a Josephine Marsh desde Irlanda, a Joanel Espósito y a David Varela desde Asturias, por ejemplo.
And then in fiddle, we have a great collection as well. We've got Simon Bradley from Yandica Bell. Many of you will know his playing. He's one of the most influential fiddle players in Asturias. And then we have Liz Doherty. And again, she's working in a foundation called I Teach Trad. She's a very well-respected and well-known musician with Kate Breton and Irish stuff. Running this way of like connecting to children, connecting to teaching, and she's going to bring a wealth of knowledge and to share with us in Asturias.
En la parte de violín pues tenemos ahí a Lizardo Prieto desde Asturias, tenemos a Simon Bradley desde Irlanda, Escocia, Asturias, desde todos los sitios, es de hombres internacional absoluto y que está tocando en Jan de Cubel, Anna Wendy Stevenson desde Escocia y Liz Doherty, que además está trabajando, es una violinista irlandesa, que además está trabajando con una fundación de enseñanza de música tradicional, no solo en su estilo irlandés, sino también en el escocés y de Cape Breton.
I mean, you can talk about the flute as well, Rodri. Like, oh my God, what a great selection there, of course.